Yo, what it is, back with another video. As y'all know, if you don't know, my name is Byron and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be cutting my cousin's hair. We're gonna be doing a burst fade, second attempt at doing this haircut, and I have a little bit trouble honestly doing burst fades, but without further ado, get into the video. Mans was definitely in need of a haircut. Okay, so to start off this haircut, what I like to do is always take out bulk. So I'm using my clipper, I'm using my 2-guard, and I'm going in like a circular motion for the burst fade. I'm using my I'm not necessarily creating a guideline. I'm just mainly taking out bulk and going straight up, so I can leave that weight with the burst fade. And so right here I want to go ahead and take out some more bulk, but not taking out too much bulk. So I put on my number 4 guard, and I'm just taking out some more bulk that in that darker area. I didn't want that much weight, so I went ahead to get my 4 guard, and I'm going down another level. I'm going with my 3rd guard right here, 3 guard with my 3 guard, and took out some more bulk. So and then right here, using my trimmer, I'm getting rid of his beard. He doesn't want it, he just wants a goatee. So I just went ahead just got rid of the beard. And again, for the burst fade, I'm going in a circular motion and then dropping it right at the middle, and then obviously balding everything out. Okay, and then right here, next step, I'm using my foil shavers, and I'm going about 3/4 of the way. I don't go all the way, so that there's still a transition between a shaver and the trimmer, just so there's more gradients in the haircut. And so right here, using my corners, going in another circular motion. I didn't want to use my full blade, like just completely like using my blade, because I wanted to make sure I got that circular motion. Because if I use a full blade like right here around his ear, I would have made like basically I would have ruined the fade, you know. So that's why I'm using my corners to make sure I'm doing a circular motion. Okay, so right here at this point, I closed my lever so that I can go ahead and fade between my blade, the clipper, between the clipper and the trimmer. And I'm also adjusting my lever as I need to, closing it, opening it more, so that as I'm going closer, it gets blended more. You just gotta mess with the lever. Alright, and so the next step, same thing. I'm using my 1 guard and I'm doing the same thing. I'm going in a circular motion. Right here I use my full blade, but then once I'm going down, I'm using my my corners, and then afterwards I'll start using my full blade as I go down to that part where the burst fade is kind of like a mullet. I see it like that, just like a faded mullet. A faded in mullet is how I interpret a burst fade. First time I did it on my cousin, he really liked it. He was like, "Hey, we gotta get this again." I'm like, bro, say less. Bet, I got you. So that's what we're doing right now. So right here, to fade between the 1 and the clipper, I'm using my 1/2 guard. So I can go ahead and fade between the 1 and the clipper. I forgot to explain it, but I did use my 1 guard closed, so I can soften up between the 1 and the blade. The 1 guard closed doesn't go ahead and eliminate the line, but it softens up the line enough so that when you come in with the 1/2 guard halfway open, it goes ahead and eliminates it pretty easily. If not, you just go ahead and adjust your lever, either close it or open it as you need to. All right, so this next step, I am using my 1.5 guard, but I'm not necessarily creating a guideline, if that makes sense. I'm literally just I'm just scooping up, because it's actually a 2 right here, like where the weight is. It's a 2, so I was just using my 1.5 guard to just soften up the line. And then I already did the C cup at the point of the temple over here. And so right here on the other side, it's the exact same steps. Sometimes I do a little bit steps differently, but it's basically the same thing. I just started with the C cup, started with my ball line. I already debulked everything out, and then right here, from here on out, it's the same thing. Full shavers. I'm gonna come in with the clipper open. I'm gonna come in with my 1 guard, and then to fade in between the 1 and the clipper, I use my half guard, and then go with my 2 guard, do some detail work, and all that good stuff. So just enjoy this part of the video. I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. I love Backstreet Boys. It's my jam. You can see here it's coming out pretty good. Taking out some of that bulk. Don't want it to be too heavy. Put it on my I think that's my 1.5 guard. Yeah, I think that's my 1.5 guard. Here I'm doing some detail work, as you can see, trying to make sure that the fade is blurry. And you clipper over comb. Make sure that the weight on top is not too much, that it seems that it's too much. And right here I'm just using the blow dryer, getting everything out of the way. I'm doing some more detail work. I'm telling you, detail work is very important when doing fades. I mean, did you see him yawn? Here I'm just doing some shear work. Fun fact, I'm cutting this guy's hair like at 10 o'clock p.m. But right here I'm using my 10 guard. He didn't know what he wanted, so I recommended him if he wants a 10 guard. He was like, what is that? And I was like, oh, I got you. And I think it's a good length, and he really liked the length that I gave him with the 10 guard. But I have to pass it a lot through his hair because it's a big guard, so he won't get everything. And so right here I'm just doing some more detail work, making sure the weight on top isn't too heavy. Putting back my 4 guard, 3 guard, and 2 guard. And right here I'm doing the hairline. Start at the center, make sure I keep it consistent, and then when I'm going the other side, start from the center again, and then all the way around. And right here I'm just using my blade, making sure it looks extra crispy. And so right here, I was kind of upset because I didn't record how the other side came out for some reason. I don't know, but as you saw right there, the fade came out pretty clean, and I'm upset that I didn't record it, and I thought I did. And I was looking through my video, I was like, are you kidding me? Either way, fade came out nice, as you can see right here. But with that being said, it's the end of the video. Let me know what you liked and what you disliked about the video. Again, it's my second time. Nobody taught me how to do this hair. The way I interpret it, it's a mullet. It's a faded in mullet. So that's the approach I went with. I think it came out pretty clean. He liked it a lot. But with that being said, everybody, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a like. If you liked my content, go ahead and give me a subscribe. I appreciate it so much. But with that being said, go ahead and click this video below for one of my recent videos. Over here is where you go ahead and subscribe, and over here is my social media. That's the end of the video. I appreciate it so much, everybody. Again, my name is Byron, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks.